The internet is evolving and something big is happening beneath the surface. Terms like blockchain, decentralized finance, and Ethereum are making waves. You've probably heard about Ethereum. It's the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. But here's the real question. What makes Ethereum so revolutionary? How does it work? And why are people saying it could change the way we live, work, and interact online? In this video, I'm going to give you the ultimate beginner-friendly guide to Ethereum. No confusing jargon, no technical overload, just clear, simple explanations that anyone can understand. If you've ever wondered what Ethereum is and why it matters, stick around. This is for you. Why does Ethereum matter in today's digital world? To answer that, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. The problem with the current internet. Today's internet is heavily centralized. Major corporations like Google, Amazon, Facebook, and Apple own much of the infrastructure and data. Here's why that's a problem. Lack of privacy. These companies collect, analyze, and often sell your data to advertisers. Single points of failure. If a company's servers go down or are hacked, entire services can become unavailable. Censorship and control. Centralized entities can decide who gets to access certain platforms or services. Ethereum's vision. Ethereum aims to solve these issues by creating a decentralized internet, often called Web 3.0. Instead of relying on centralized servers, Ethereum uses blockchain technology to distribute power and control. Here's what makes this vision so revolutionary. Data ownership. Users retain ownership of their data instead of handing it over to corporations. Direct connections. Ethereum enables peer-to-peer interactions, cutting out the middleman in transactions, communication, and more. Global accessibility. All you need is an internet connection to participate in the Ethereum ecosystem, making it more inclusive than traditional systems. Why should you care? Ethereum isn't just for tech enthusiasts or cryptocurrency investors. Its applications touch every part of modern life. Imagine voting in a national election online, knowing the results are transparent and tamper-proof. Think about owning digital art or music that no one can copy or steal, thanks to NFTs. Consider financial systems where you can save, borrow, or lend money without needing a bank. Ethereum matters because it's laying the foundation for a fairer, more transparent, and more secure digital future. To understand Ethereum, we first need to look at the foundation it was built on: Bitcoin and blockchain technology. Bitcoin was introduced in 2009 as the world's first cryptocurrency. Its creator, the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto, had one groundbreaking goal: to create a form of digital money that could be sent directly between people without relying on banks, governments, or payment processors like PayPal. But how did Bitcoin make this possible? The answer lies in its blockchain technology. What is blockchain? At its core, a blockchain is a distributed ledger, a record of transactions that is shared and maintained by a network of computers called nodes. Here's what makes it special. Decentralization. Instead of being stored in a central location, the ledger is spread across thousands of nodes worldwide. This makes it incredibly secure and resistant to censorship. Transparency. Every transaction is recorded on the blockchain and is visible to anyone. This ensures accountability and trust. Immutability. Once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it can't be changed or deleted. This prevents fraud and tampering. How Bitcoin uses blockchain. Bitcoin uses blockchain to maintain a decentralized, secure, and tamper-proof record of transactions. Whenever you send or receive Bitcoin, the transaction is verified by the network. It gets added to a block, along with other transactions. This block is then linked to the previous one, forming a continuous chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. Bitcoin showed the world that decentralized systems could work. It solved a huge problem in digital finance, the double spending problem, where digital assets could previously be copied or spent more than once. Bitcoin's limitations. While Bitcoin revolutionized digital money, it has limitations. Limited functionality. Bitcoin's blockchain is designed to handle only financial transactions. Think of it as a simple calculator. It's great for one job but can't do much else. Scalability. The Bitcoin network can only process about 7 transactions per second, which is far slower than traditional payment systems like Visa. Energy use. Bitcoin's proof-of-work consensus mechanism consumes massive amounts of electricity. These limitations pave the way for Ethereum to take blockchain technology to the next level by creating a programmable blockchain that could handle much more than just currency transactions. Now that we've covered why Ethereum is important, let's dive into how it works. At the heart of Ethereum's ecosystem are two key concepts: smart contracts and decentralized applications, or Dapps. What are smart contracts? A smart contract is a self-executing piece of code that runs on the Ethereum blockchain. It operates on if-then logic. If a specific condition is met, then the contract performs a predefined action. Let's look at a real-world example. You rent an apartment. The smart contract says, if you pay $1,500 by the first of the month, then the contract unlocks the apartment door for you. Smart contracts automate processes that would usually require intermediaries like lawyers, notaries, or banks. Key features of smart contracts: trustless. Once deployed, a smart contract runs exactly as programmed. You don't need to trust a third party to enforce it. Immutable. Smart contracts cannot be altered once they're live. This ensures they remain tamper-proof. Transparent. The code behind a smart contract is publicly available so anyone can review it. Applications of smart contracts. Smart contracts power a wide range of use cases. Decentralized finance, DeFi. Platforms like Aave and Uniswap use smart contracts to enable lending, borrowing, and trading without banks. Insurance. Smart contracts can automatically pay out claims when specific conditions like weather data are met. Supply chain. Businesses use smart contracts to track goods from production to delivery, ensuring transparency and efficiency. What are Dapps? A decentralized application, Dapp, is any application built on Ethereum that runs on a network of computers instead of a central server. How Dapps work. Dapps are powered by smart contracts. They often have a user interface that looks like any other app, but behind the scenes, they operate in a decentralized way. For example, a social media Dapp lets users post, like, and share content. Unlike Facebook, the data isn't stored on a single company's server. Instead, it's distributed across Ethereum nodes. Advantages of Dapp: censorship-resistant, no central authority can remove content or block access. User-controlled, users own their data and decide how it's used. Global participation, Dapps are open to anyone, anywhere in the world. Challenges of Dapps aren't without their challenges. Scalability, Dapps can become slow and expensive to use during periods of high network demand. Complexity, developing Dapps requires knowledge of blockchain and Ethereum's Solidity programming language. Security, bugs in smart contracts can lead to vulnerabilities, as seen in incidents like the DO hack. Examples of Dapps: DeFi, protocols like Uniswap, a decentralized exchange, and MakerDAO, a lending platform, are transforming traditional finance. NFT marketplaces, platforms like OpenSea allow users to buy, sell, and trade digital collectibles. Gaming, games like Axie Infinity let players earn real money by participating in the game's economy. Smart contracts and Dapps are the building blocks of Ethereum's ecosystem, opening up endless possibilities for decentralization and innovation. Ethereum's flexibility is both its strength and its challenge. A major test came in 2016 with the infamous DAO incident. The DAO, or Decentralized Autonomous Organization, was a groundbreaking project that raised over $150 million in Ether to create a decentralized venture capital fund. Investors voted on which projects the DAO would fund. But there was a flaw in the DAO's smart contract. A hacker exploited this loophole to drain millions of dollars. This sparked a huge debate within the Ethereum community. Should they change the blockchain to recover the stolen funds? The community split into two camps. Ethereum, ETH, agreed to roll back the blockchain to undo the hack. Ethereum Classic, ETC, believed in code is law and kept the original blockchain unchanged. This event highlighted Ethereum's greatest strength, its ability to evolve, but also raised concerns about centralization and governance. Ethereum is not just a platform, it's also powered by a cryptocurrency called Ether, or ETH. Ether serves two main purposes: transaction fees. Every action on the Ethereum network, from sending ETH to executing a smart contract, requires a fee paid in Ether. This fee is called gas. Incentives. Ether rewards the nodes that maintain and secure the Ethereum network. Here's how gas works. Every computation on the Ethereum network costs gas. The more complex the action, the more gas it requires. Gas prices are dynamic and can spike during periods of high demand. This system encourages developers to write efficient code and ensures that the network isn't overwhelmed with unnecessary computations. Ether's value has grown exponentially since Ethereum's launch. Initially sold for 40 cents during its 2014 ICO, Ether now trades for hundreds or even thousands of dollars, reflecting its widespread adoption. Ethereum is evolving. While it's already a powerful platform, it faces challenges that need to be addressed for it to scale globally. That's where Ethereum 2.0, or ETH 2.0, comes in. Ethereum 2.0 is a multi-phase upgrade designed to improve the network's scalability, security, and sustainability. Let's break it down. 1. The shift to proof of stake, POS. Ethereum's current consensus mechanism, proof of work, POW, requires miners to solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and secure the network. While effective, POW consumes enormous amounts of energy. Ethereum 2.0 replaces POW with proof of stake, POS, a more energy-efficient system. Here's how POS works. Validators, not miners, are responsible for securing the network. To become a validator, you must lock up a certain amount of Ether as collateral, 32 ETH at the time of writing. Validators are randomly selected to propose and validate blocks, and they earn rewards for doing so. If a validator acts dishonestly, they risk losing their staked Ether. POS reduces energy consumption by over 99% compared to POW, making Ethereum much more environmentally friendly. 1. Scalability with shard chains. One of Ethereum's biggest challenges is scalability. Currently, the network can process about 30 transactions per second. In comparison, Visa processes thousands of transactions per second. To solve this, Ethereum 2.0 introduces shard chains. Sharding splits the Ethereum blockchain into multiple smaller chains or shards. Each shard processes its own transactions and smart contracts, working in parallel with other shards. This increases the network's capacity dramatically, allowing it to handle thousands of transactions per second. Sharding is like dividing a highway into multiple lanes, enabling more cars or transactions to move through at once. 1. Layer 2 Solutions. Ethereum 2.0 isn't the only improvement. The Ethereum community is also adopting Layer 2 scaling solutions which work on top of the main blockchain to improve speed and reduce costs. Examples include rollups, compress transactions into bundles that are processed off-chain and then verified on-chain. State channels allow users to transact directly with each other without involving the main blockchain for every interaction. 1. Long-term vision. Web 3.0. Ethereum 2.0 is a step toward realizing the vision of Web 3.0, a decentralized internet where users control their data and interact directly without intermediaries. Imagine a decentralized social network where you own your data and privacy, financial systems that are accessible to anyone with an internet connection, digital identities that can't be censored or tampered with. Ethereum's upgrades aim to make this vision a reality by creating a secure, scalable, and sustainable infrastructure for the next generation of the internet. What does Ethereum 2.0 mean for you? For developers, Ethereum 2.0 means faster and more efficient applications. For users, it means lower transaction fees and a more accessible platform. For the planet, it means significantly reduced energy consumption. Ethereum isn't just a technology, it's a movement toward decentralization, empowering individuals to take back control in an increasingly centralized world. Ethereum isn't just another cryptocurrency, it's a revolutionary platform that's reshaping how we interact with technology, finance, and the internet itself. It builds on Bitcoin's foundation of decentralization, but takes it several steps further, offering the tools to create a world where users have control over their data, interactions, and digital assets. Why Ethereum matters. The world today faces major challenges with centralization. From corporations controlling our data to financial institutions acting as gatekeepers, too much power is concentrated in the hands of a few. Ethereum offers a bold alternative. It envisions a decentralized internet, one where transparency and fairness replace hidden algorithms, peer-to-peer connections eliminate middlemen, innovation thrives without barriers or gatekeepers. How Ethereum achieves this. With smart contracts, Ethereum automates processes that once required intermediaries. With Dapps, it creates a new wave of decentralized innovation that empowers users globally. And with its ongoing transition to Ethereum 2.0, it's addressing scalability and environmental concerns, making the platform more sustainable and accessible than ever. The future of Ethereum. As Ethereum evolves, it's becoming the backbone of Web 3.0, a new, user-first internet. From DeFi to NFTs to gaming, Ethereum is enabling applications that were unimaginable a decade ago. It's not just transforming industries, it's reshaping how we think about trust, ownership, and collaboration in the digital age. But Ethereum's journey is far from over. Its success depends on developers, users, and communities coming together to push the boundaries of what's possible. Final thoughts. Ethereum represents more than technology. It's a movement toward a more decentralized, transparent, and fair world. Whether you're a developer, investor, or simply curious, Ethereum invites you to be part of this transformation. So, as we look ahead to what's next, one thing is clear. Ethereum isn't just a glimpse of the future, it's the foundation of it. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to dive deeper into topics like Ethereum 2.0, NFTs, or DeFi, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.